Well, hello. We're going to be unboxing some C3 Monitor Creator Series speakers today. And we are going to start off by opening this one here. Remember to never cut toward yourself. Right. Go. We got a box inside of a box. Who doesn't love that? Set that one off to the side. We'll open this one as well. What's really nice about these speakers is they have upgraded the drivers in the bass, the mids, and the tweeter as well. First thing inside the box, we got a nice manual here. We have the zero bezel top on there. Then we got the speaker, nice silicone packet to keep everything dry. And then we have the actual monitor speaker. Go ahead and make sure nothing is in the box. And box this thing up very nicely to prevent damages, which is always a bonus, getting product that is ready to go and get installed. So as I was checking these out online, I noticed that they had created a new way of connecting the speaker wire to the actual speaker itself. I know many of us who have been in the installation world have all held a speaker up above our heads and tried to plug in speaker wires with one hand. What Monitor has done here is given you the ability to release the actual speaker terminal itself in the quick release. So each one of these terminals is actually spring loaded on the back end, so even if this was to wiggle around a little bit, you'll maintain that connection in there. We'll set that off to the side here. On the front facing the speaker, where the grill cover goes, take that off. You have a few options here. You can have this so if you corner load the speaker, you can swap that over. You get a better sound quality out of that. And you also have a high frequency and a mid frequency switch here, so you can give it a little bit more or a little bit less, or keep it right in the middle depending on what your needs are. These are in line with Monitor's top-end speakers, so they have done everything they can to make it an affordable speaker that is going to give you the best quality sound. All right, we're going to open up this last box and then we're going to get started with the installation process. All right, let's get started with the install.
Alright, so we gotta cut a new hole to fit the new speakers.